Hello everyone, welcome to the English course on nouns. In today's video, we are going to talk about singular and plural nouns. When you speak English, it is very important to know the difference between a singular and a plural noun. So, I'll explain to you the different rules and we will practice together. Let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing that you need to know is that a singular noun is one. For example, we can say cat, a cat or one cat, school, a school or one school, team. Don't forget, team is a collective noun. It is a group of people or things, but still it is a singular noun. We talk about a team or one team, lady, a lady or one lady, monkey, a monkey or one monkey, tomato, a tomato or one tomato, piano, a piano or one piano. Now, if you talk about plural nouns, it means more than one. So, for example, 2, 3, 4 or many. If we take over to the singular examples to find their plurals, a cat becomes cats, 2 cats, 3 cats or many cats. A school becomes schools, 2 schools, 3 schools or many schools. A team becomes teams. You just add an S. Now, lady becomes ladies. Monkey becomes monkeys. Both 2 different rules. As you can see, lady is consonant Y, which means the last letter Y is preceded by D, a consonant letter. Now, when you have a consonant Y in an English noun, the plural will be IES. Lady, ladies. LADIES. But when you have vowel Y, like in monkey, it just becomes monkeys. MONKEYS. You simply add an S. Okay? Monkey becomes monkeys. Tomato becomes tomatoes. Piano becomes pianos. Again, 2 different rules. Now, tomato becomes tomatoes. You add ES and with most words ending in O, consonant O, you will add ES. But sometimes you will add only S like piano, pianos. There is no particular rule for this. You just need to know the words that only end with an S. Let us move on to the other rules. Let us talk about that words end in S, SH, X, CH or Z. Now, to make the plural form of these nouns, you will add ES. Now let us review some words together. Bus becomes buses. Bush becomes bushes. Fox becomes foxes. Beach becomes beaches. Quiz becomes quizzes. Let us move on to the other rules. Moving on to the nouns ending in F or FE. For example, roof becomes roof. Safe becomes safe. So you simply add an S. Then we have leaf. That becomes leaves. Wait a minute. What happened? Leaf, LEAF, and it becomes LEAVES. Oh yes, sometimes in English, a word ending in F becomes a word ending VES in plural. But that's not a rule. But some words end in VES. You just have to learn that. Another word, wife, and again, wives, VES. Shelf, again, VES ending, shelves. Let's move on to practice now. Let's practice together. I'm going to give you a singular noun and I want you to try and find out the plural form of the singular noun. Okay? Let us give it a try. The first word is baby. Baby. Don't forget it ends with a consonant Y. Do you remember the rule? It's babies with IES. Baby, babies. The second word is toy, vowel Y. So this time, toys, T-O-Y-S. You simply add an S. Then we have wish. It's a word ends in SH. Remember the rule? Wishes. You add ES. Taxi, taxis. You simply add an S. Choice, choices. Simply add an S as well. Then we have the word wolf. It's a word ending in F. Is it a word with VES? It is. WOLVES, wolves. And finally, photo. Now remember the words ending in O, you can add ES or simply S. Well, with photo, you simply add an S. Photos, PHOTOS. Now let us move on to some example sentences. I have some example sentences for you using singular and plural nouns. Let's get started. First, I want a dog. I like dogs. The second sentence, I don't want a fox. I don't like foxes. I bought a watch. I have many watches. I have a new stereo. Now I have 2 stereos. There is a knife. There are 6 knives in the kitchen. Now let us learn irregular plural nouns. There are many ways of making plural forms in English, and there are a lot of irregular forms, and I want you to know about them. So let's get started. There are so many irregular plural forms in English, and there are no particular rules. You just need to learn the words. But I'm going to tell you about the most common words. Let us review some words together. For example, we have a singular noun, woman. Its plural form is women. Then we have a man, a singular noun. Its plural is men. Child becomes children. Tooth becomes teeth. Foot becomes feet. Person becomes people. Mouse becomes mice. Let us move on to some other irregular plural forms. Now there are words that have the exact same singular and plural forms. They are not common, but you need to know a few. Let us take a look at them together. As you can see, sheep is the singular form, but the plural form is not sheeps, it is sheep. Same goes with deer, deer, moose, moose, fish, fish, aircraft, aircraft. So you will say, I see 1 sheep, but also I see 2 sheep. Exact same word. Let us move on to other irregular forms. Some nouns are never singular. We always use them in plural forms. I have a few common ones for you. Let us have a look at them. Jeans, pants, glasses, sunglasses, scissors, pajamas. So you will say, I have some jeans or I have scissors. But you cannot say, I have a jean or I have a scissor. It is incorrect. Let us move on to example sentences now. Let's start. First, my sister has 1 child. My brother has 2 children. Next, I am a quiet person, so I don't talk to many people. Next sentence, did you catch 1 fish or 2 fish at the lake? Next sentence, I have 1 pair of glasses and 2 pairs of sunglasses. Well then guys, I hope this has helped and you have a better understanding of singular and plural nouns and irregular plural forms in English. There are many of them, not many rules to follow, a lot of words to memorize, but I'm sure with a little bit of practice you can do it. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to watch my next video if you want to know more about nouns in English.